Ito.
Nakalagay. Kaya na. Bigay mo gaano katigas?
Ano yung winelding?
Malambot na yan.
Ang lambot ito.
Malambot na to. Barako to eh, pambarako. Grabe yung stock na ito.
Ang tigas boy.
Malambot na yan sa akin.
Mukhang gusto nyo ito magkatama-tamaan na. Tigilan natin. Galit.
oh.
Galit siya eh. Yeah. Kaya ba center? Hindi, no? Ha? Hindi, kanina ka pa pala nandun. Ah, okay. Katulog ka? Bakit, Denise?
I'ma hit him in the front, homie, hit him in the back. Keep on hitting that nigga in the chest cavity till the motherfucker lay down flat. Freeze, motherfucker, look. Trust me, I'ma make a nigga sit still. Anytime I gotta defend the fool, nigga, it don't matter what it is, homie. I will.
Olive, no?
Can't figure it out. I identify the motherfucker on the real word on everything a nigga really love. It don't matter who it is, homie. I kill. But now I'm finally waking up out of the dream and I realize that life is so beautiful. And I ain't gotta put my hand on the nigga unless it's definitely necessary. Otherwise, it's unsuitable. Going through a lot of different little things that make a nigga wanna go and wanna get it. Wanna bring a couple crews out to handle a couple situations and then let them eliminate all the bullshit so I can sting. Every stage that we get a lot of love. To get it, I hate those. Try to hate to start the love because it's undeniable that everything I do is
Mike
right.
Casting.
I do it wrong, but my spirit in a song and the question is the worth it in the hand all along. I guess I gotta die first, return, reincarnated just to really witness in another